Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best gear for your outdoor adventures. Today, we're diving into the world of sun hats with the Sunday Afternoons Adventure Hat.
This isn't just any sun hat. It's hailed as one of the best in the market for outdoor enthusiasts.
Let's break down why. First off, let's talk sun protection. With its 4 reverse split brim and a generous 7.5 neck cape, this hat offers unparalleled coverage, shielding you from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Plus, it's got a UPF 50+ certified breathable sun rating, ensuring you stay safe under the sun. Comfort is key when you're out exploring.
The adventure hat features adjustable sizing in the crown, so you can find the perfect fit for your head.
And for windy days, there's an adjustable chin strap to keep everything secure. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or simply enjoying a day at the beach, this hat is designed to keep up with your adventures. Its durable nylon body and polyester crown mesh ensure breathability and long-lasting performance. And let's not forget style. The adventure hat's sleek design and variety of colors, like this classic sand option, make it a versatile accessory for any outdoor outfit. So, why is the Sunday Afternoons Adventure Hat the best choice for your outdoor escapades? Superior sun protection, customizable fit, durability, and style. It's the ultimate companion for all your adventures under the sun. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the gear you love. Until next time, happy adventuring!